Hello, I'm Marcus Brix with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by CattleFax, the deciding factor. Last Friday saw WTI crude oil establish a new calendar year futures low at $70.08 per barrel, fully erasing gains from earlier year and trading beneath the January open. The oil market has been in a downtrend since the summer. From June's spot high to last week's low, WTI crude futures have broken 43%. Astonishingly, even after losing nearly half of its value since June, last Friday was the first and possibly only week of 2022 with lower weekly prices versus 2021. Week 49 of 2021 saw a closing WTI price at $71.67 per barrel. Last week closed at $71.16. Physical spot market crude oil at the storage hub of Cushing, Oklahoma, remains priced above year ago, but only marginally. In the first half of the year, physical spot crude averaged 63% above 2021. In the past 6 weeks, physical spot has only averaged 7% above 2021. As for an inflation indicator, energy prices remain historically high but will not look as dramatic versus the extreme prices in earlier 2022. U.S. average gasoline prices slipped beneath a year ago last week, averaging $3.35 per gallon, the lowest since October 21. Diesel price averaged $4.75 per gallon last week, or still more than $1 per gallon above year ago. The diesel-gasoline retail spread this December at $1.40 a gallon is the highest on record. Previous spikes barely saw the spread reach 70 to 80 cents. Fundamental data suggests the diesel-gas spread could retreat from the recent highs. Gasoline inventories are currently 3 to 5% below the pre-pandemic 5-year average. Diesel inventories spent January to November down about 20% compared to the 5-year average, but have regained volumes over the past 6 weeks. Diesel inventories are now 15% below average, historically tight, but showing signs of improvement. Also, seasonally, gasoline prices tend to find support in the next 2 weeks and trend higher into late spring, early summer. Seasonally, diesel prices have more pressure into late winter before rallying into spring-summer. RBOB gasoline futures bounced 6 cents this week after losing 85 cents over the prior 6 weeks of declines. Heating oil futures gained 36 cents this week, coming off a 6-week loss of $1.75 per gallon. Live cattle futures were mixed this week, with December gaining 90 cents per hundredweight and deferred futures losing between 18 and 35 cents. In the cash, an active trade in the north took place between 154 and 159 live, mostly steady with last week. Light volumes traded in the south at 155 per hundredweight, steady to $1 lower than last week. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and see the latest market news and analysis. End. Thanks. Is it? Leave it all in there. Don't cut any of it out. Yeah, right. That part at the end was a little weird. Oh, is it? Come here, fool. Is the battery dying, maybe?